What we're trying to do at ThreeFold is build an internet that foundationally, from the code up, is responsible to both humanity and the planet. And in order to do that, we really had to start from the beginning. We had to build a completely new operating system, a completely new storage system. We had to build the entire IT stack from scratch. And we did this because the current model of the internet, the inertia behind it that caused this centralization, this client-server model, it carried its weight forward in a way where it led to these sort of giant silos. It led to these consolidation by these giant tech companies. And now the internet is no longer able to scale anymore to the point to reach humanity. And by redesigning the system with the blueprint of serving humanity, building an internet that actually treats you independent as a sovereign entity on the internet is super important to the future of humanity's digital future. It's so paramount, especially with the dawn of AI, with the dawn of experiences like the metaverse, where all our lives are going to be constantly on, constantly connected. It requires an internet that's foundationally rooted, first of all, in digital privacy, in the ability to scale to meet that demand, which is something that most people don't know. The current internet cannot meet the demand. It just is so expensive. The challenges are so high, the barriers are way too high to be able to reach emerging countries. And that's why we are faced with such a divide in terms of people connected, lack of data sovereignty, the internet being fragmented in some cases. And to avoid all of this, we needed to start from scratch. And I think this is why we are so excited about this project, because it affects anything with an IT pulse. Anything can run on ThreeFold and can be made to be decentralized. What's the alternative today? Today we have a couple of companies that will give you an option that's centralized. But if you're looking at it from perspective of the future, when we're building digital economies, NFTs, and all these DeFi experiences and application experiences that are supposed to be done in a more democratic way, you need foundational technology to support that. And that's what we're doing at ThreeFold, is giving humanity a fresh start from the internet and giving humanity the ownership of it, because it's owned by you, it's owned by enterprises, it's owned by governments, it's owned by everybody. And that's the beauty of what we've done, and we've done it in a collaborative way, and I'm very excited for what the future holds for us all.